Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In this video, we'll discuss the Physical Inventory Worksheet report in NetSuite. A Physical Inventory Worksheet is a tool used to maintain accurate inventory records by comparing your physical inventory count against the inventory quantities in your NetSuite account. To access the report, go to Reports, Inventory Items, Physical Inventory Worksheet. This report lists all the on-hand inventory. For each item, it shows item name and description, preferred vendor, quantity on hand, a physical count quantity column. Let's open a sample item. Under the Vendors subtab, you'll see I have set a preferred vendor for this item. The on-hand quantity also shows 500, which matches what is displayed in the item record. Additionally, the physical count quantity column often causes confusion. The physical count quantity is not automatically filled by NetSuite. It is essentially a manual entry placeholder. When you export or print this report, the column provides blank spaces where your warehouse team can write down actual counts during a cycle count or physical count. The Physical Inventory Worksheet report is a paper or export-based tool to help track and compare system quantities with physical stock. Example: suppose this item has 600 units on hand after performing a physical count. You can record 600 in the physical count quantity column of the worksheet. This makes it easier to compare against the system's on-hand count, 500 in this case. Later, you can use this information to create an inventory adjustment or process an inventory count transaction to reconcile the difference. And that wraps up this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.